still running your site on Web2, you're not just falling behind, you're wasting time, money, and control. Let's be real. Maintaining a Web2 site today is a full-time job. Updates break, plugins clash, security patches pile up. Every month, those hosting and API bills grow bigger. Your tech stack loaded, your data tracked, your control leased from big tech companies. Every part of your online business depends upon platforms that can ban, block, or break you at any moment. Web3 isn't just hype, it's a better architecture. A decentralized website means no more hosting fees, no more plugins, no more platform limits. Additionally, you don't get any conflicts between your plugins. Your site runs on unstoppable infrastructure. Your users log in with wallets, not passwords. Your data is yours, private, encrypted, and secure. No more fighting fires, no more dependency chaos, just a lean, modern, self sovereign platform that works. But switching to Web3 sounds hard, right? What about your existing site, your users, your tech stack? That's where we come in. For just $2,000 a month, we handle everything. Maintain or rebuild your website from scratch, migrate your backend to decentralized infrastructure, add wallet login, crypto payments, and Web3 identity, manage all updates, fixes, and performance upgrades. No more server builds, plugin bugs, or data leaks. You focus on your business, we keep your site modern, secure, and 100% yours. You didn't build a business just to be at mercy of outdated platforms. It's time to stop maintaining the past and start owning the future. Let us manage your Web3 website fully. No hassle, no lock-ins, no limits. Your brand, your backend, your rules.